just realized that this is where it was all washed away and they got her all fixed already. Look at that. Brand new. 100 miles an hour. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I gotta tell you, now that is a bad place to park. Just watch. To sleep overnight? No good. This whole place is noisy, but watch. Listen. Right by that guy's door. Oh my goodness. About 6 of them come at night. I bet you he won't park there again. Another beautiful morning. Woke up to another one. Didn't take the easy way out. Attaboy. This is why I park over here though, or that's why I park over here. You see a theme with places I park anyway. But I park behind the building so that when those trains go by, which they do, 6, 7, sometimes 10 times a night. I sat here one day and I lost count. 20 plus trains going past. At least 2 every hour, something like that. Anyway, but I hide behind the building here so you get some kind of a break from the sound. So anyway, that's what I do. So what do you do? What does everybody else do out there? I try to stay away from the major truck stops because, well, for one, thousands of people, thousands of, not the cleanest people, use the toilets and they don't get cleaned on the regular, up here in Canada anyway. This stuff's pretty darn dirty, wow. And also I don't want to get hit by people backing in and all that stuff, so I hang out little off the beaten path spots. Hanging over a little bit here. Had to put a board under it, so yeah. Alright, this is all we got. We're delivering this today. Oh, I wanted to show you this. Talk about the view up there, hey? That'd be a pretty cool view. Pretty cool view. Alright, we're in BC, we're going to deliver, and then who knows what's next. Oh, what's with the spotlight? Stay tuned. Well, down on the docks again. Look at the size of this ship. Holy. The Saga Welco. Cool. See what they do? The ship unloads itself onto these guys, and then the forklifts pick it up and stack it into place. The longshoremen. You hear of longshoremen, and that's who these guys are. But they only work when the boats are in, or when the stuff's getting shipped out, so they've been called the transient workforce because you never know who you're gonna have on any given day. That's the union. Just talking to these guys, I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, anybody that knows more about it, but they show up in the morning at the union hall, 6 a.m. and then if there's work, they get designated a place to go work. They don't know if they're gonna be running a forklift or just mucking with 4x4 dunnage all day. They don't know what they're doing from day to day. You show up in the morning, if there's work you go, if there's no work you go back home. That wouldn't be much fun. So then that crane goes back up there and he's gonna go grab some more from the belly of the beast. That's how this international shipping works. Pretty simple. gotta shut her down right where we're at here. We're out of hours. This is gonna suck just a little bit. Rain's coming down. Let's quickly go take a look at what we're dealing with here. A nice view. Beautiful view. However, we only made it to this. We can only make it to this rest area. Little pull out, and it is gonna be loud. It's a good thing I've got. What do I got? Earplugs. Let's see if we can see. We're gonna get. Oh yeah, I just came through a whole big storm, and it's moving fast. If it's caught up to me already, lots of lightning, lots of rain. Just listen. Oh, you see that? Cars are okay. Woo! Take it easy. Big trucks, not okay. See? That's gonna be loud. But hey, I found this path. It's gonna start storming here real fast. And it's dark out. And we're in the woods. And we're in bear country, moose country. All the critters with all the big claws, they all live here. I think if a guy, I don't know, it's a well-worn path. I think if a guy goes down here, it's got to come to the river. Yeah, bear! You always got to let him know you're coming. Whoa! Easy now. Ooh, don't look in there. I see water. Ah, bear! Oh, nothing going on here. Just a juicy truck driver coming down into your property here. It's brighter on the camera, but I tell you what, she's pretty dark here. Oh. You know, lightning storm's coming, you know, what better way to go? Let's go down by the river, you know, why not? Well, here it comes. Here it comes. Cool. Whew. Oh! See it coming in? That's the lights of Jasper there. I just made it just outside of Jasper. Oh. Disclaimer. Don't hang out in a thunderstorm or a lightning storm. Can you hear that? That's a truck. Man, I'm gonna hate sleeping there. Out of hours, nothing I can do. Well, there's lots I could do, but nothing I can do legally. Whew. Let's check this stuff out. Okay. Oh, that's the train. That's what that is. Okay, that's pretty stiff. There's a train too? Holy, I picked the wrong spot. Oh, she's brisk, baby. Ah, yeah, wash the face. Ah. Ah. Clean up after a long day in the seat. That feels pretty good, man. That feels pretty good. Oh yeah. If I get up early enough, go for a dip. No, that's not gonna happen. She's cold. She's cold. Even with a furry t-shirt, I'd be chilly. Alright, time to go back. Hey, bear! Nothing here. The light's pretty good on this darn camera, but it's dark to the... Whoa! Hey! Till you get the paparazzi taking pictures of me there. Alright. Let's get going. Trains, cars, trucks. Oh boy. Hey, cool little flowers there. What we got here? Just like a stinkweed or something. But look at how they glow. Hey, that's kind of cool. Here's what I got anyway. I don't know if you... I loaded this on the docks. I might show you a little bit better tomorrow. Whew. Put those boards in the middle to hold down. It's just flat bar. So it doesn't get tightened very good with these. So, oh, see? Yeah. No, that's terrible. Whoa! Woo! Okay, time to go in. We'll show you tomorrow. Alright, we made it to our unloading location. I'll just show you what we got before we get it all taken off. Flat bar and tubing. And I wanted to show you that I put that lumber up there to push down on the tubing, or on the flat bar, because it's... these bands aren't held on very good, so this stuff could easily just slide back and forth. And then I also used my tarps on there to put a little friction on them. I don't got to worry about them going forward, but I was worried about them coming out the back here. So, but they did pretty good. They did pretty good. But that's how I loaded it, and that's why I loaded this blue stuff on the front. So it prevent anything from coming forward if it was going to come forward. And nothing did. So good job. No major incidents. Okay, let's get some straps off. We made her home, and loads have kind of dried up a little bit. That's okay though. Lots to do. Lots to do. So Right now I'm replacing the brakes on a John Deere tractor. I had a good weekend. Cover that belly up. Oh. And yeah, the week was okay. We did that trip and saw some rain and nearly got struck by lightning. Other than that, we were good. Not to get too dramatic. So we're going to, yeah, I'm going to work here waiting on a call. As they say in the oil patch, you're always waiting on a call. I'm not in the oil patch, but in trucking, always waiting on a call. Gonna work on some stuff around the house here. Got some leaky valves, got some brakes to do, blah blah blah. Everybody has stuff to do. One thing I want to tell the fellas. If you're not too handsome, like this guy, if you're not too handy, like this guy, you damn well better be funny. Take care, bye for now. Oh, son of a Jesus! Who put that there? Oh. One day, I tell you what. Whatever you do not let them know that you have no idea what you're doing. Oh, what the hell did I just turn on here? Son of a... Now, see, I know what the problem you got here is. See, the problem is you got this here water leaking out of this here valve. That's your problem. Well, thanks, Tips. I appreciate that. Now, the key is here, you get the biggest mother trucking pipe wrenches you can find, because then that makes you look like a professional. You learn how to use the pipe wrenches, which is actually called a crescent wrench, or in Canada we call them a metric wrench. And then you just give her a little bit of an attitude adjustment here. And, come on, mate! Come on! Holy jumping. Come on! Oh, motherfuckers! Hold on a second. Okay, we got her. Hold on here. Half an hour later, I don't even have the damn valve off yet. It's all in the preparation, you know. Boys, take it from me. I'm one of these guys that's got a face for email, you know. But the minute you break out the big guns, the ladies, they love it. Even if you don't know what you're doing, you just start clanging, banging stuff, you know, dropping stuff all over the place, making lots of noise. They won't even care if it's fixed when you're done. I'm telling you. Alright, we're getting somewhere. We got water coming out all over the place. So, I'm very good at demolition. This whole putting back together thing, that's it's not my forte. Oh yeah, there we go. Now, oh God, oh boy. Is that supposed to do that? I don't know. Oh. Now we got, oh my man, we got it everywhere. It's clean water, thankfully it's not the other side of the plumbing, know what I mean? The exhaust side. I don't know. And then you start moving valves and stuff until, you know, it makes you look good. Especially when the ladies are around. Lots of grunting and groaning too. Makes it sound like you know what you're doing. And makes it sound like everything's really hard. Oh. Now we gotta get this thing out of the hole. Always trying to get in the hole, not out of the hole, so Okay. Pop this thing up. Don't make me get the big hammer now. Whoops. I'm all set now forever. Come on, you. Ah. Come to daddy. That's it. Come to daddy. There you go. You like that, huh? Huh? You like that, do you? How about a little more of this, eh? Ah! Come on, baby. Come on. Hello? Anybody home? Mr. George? Mr. George. That new guy? He no good. He no good. You gotta go from nylon to brass. Hopefully that helps out. How in the hell did I get it all over? I got it everywhere. Okay, moment of truth. Well is on. Pump is activated. We've got no leaks. Fire in the hole! What is leaking over here? Son of a goddamn, what the... Oh, never mind. You better leave me with it. It's going to take a bit. Son of a gun. Take care. Bye for now. Frickin' plumbing, I tell you what.